Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. In case you're new, subscribe to my channel now so that you see just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Well guys, guess what? Today I have a visitor to my garden. If you want to see who is visiting my garden and to get for the first time a comprehensive tour of my garden, just stay tuned. Hey guys, you would never believe who is here. Precious from Precious Bloom. Welcome, Precious.
Thank you.
Yes, it is so good to have you.
And it is a pleasure.
Yes.
I feel blessed to be here because, I mean, all these blooms that I'm looking at, I'm so excited to be here in person and seeing them for real because normally it's on YouTube. I have to see them.
Aww.
So I'm really feeling honored that you are hosting me and my friend Coleen here today. Come along, Coleen.
Welcome to my garden, Coleen. It is so good to have you.
It's so nice to see everything in real. You know, I subscribe to your channel and I look forward to your videos. But looking at them in real life, oh my God.
Yes.
I can't believe it.
Yes, it's unbelievable. Trust
Yes,
me.
yes.
Everything is so nice. It's so lush. It's so green.
Yes, so let's go for a little tour.
So Coleen, look at this Vanda bed.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how lush it is and all these blooms.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh,
I like the ones with the spots.
The
Oh, and
famous
this is the
almond-
famous almond tree. Oh,
yes.
Oh my God, look at this bloom.
Oh, and remember we promised to have tea,
Tea
under the almond tree. Yes.
This is such a treat.
Wow.
So
Look at this plant up here, Coleen.
Wow, my goodness.
This is
This
such a
is
treat.
so lovely.
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness.
This purple plant in the background. What plant is? Coleen, do you know that plant?
No, I don't know that one.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
yes, so you are finally under
Under
the
the
almond
almond
tree.
I'm waiting for the tea.
Ah.
Yes.
Wow. So tell me, when you find time,
To do all of this.
Well, believe me, my day starts from 5 a.m. I go walking, and then when I get back around 6, and at least an hour I'll put into the garden before I go to work. And then in the afternoon, I'll come in like around 5, 6, and believe me, sometimes I'm out here until 10.
Right.
okay.
Yes, it takes a lot.
It does.
Yes, yes.
It does. It
In order
does.
for them to get the proper care and love, you have to be at it. It's like a full-time thing. Yes.
It is.
It
It
is a
definitely
full-time
is.
job,
It
yes.
definitely is.
Yes. Because
Yeah.
if you don't put everything into it, you won't get the results.
That is true.
and
That
this
is
is
true.
really, really nice. It is
Yes,
so
yes,
nice.
yes, yes.
It is so lush and green because where I live, the climate is hot.
Mm-hmm.
And mine, they sort of look yellowish and all of that, but I pressure for your cool climate, trust me.
And believe me, there are times when we want it to be hot.
I tell you, oh boy, we can't have it all.
I guess we can't
Yes,
have it
yes.
all, and therefore we just have to try and strike that balance.
Yes, but this is
Right.
really nice.
Yes, man, it is really nice.
This is really nice.
And that is why I tend to tell my followers that it depends on where you are. You do not have to follow everything that we do,
True,
because
true.
if you're in a colder area, then you can, because
Yes.
that's where I am.
Right.
But if you're in a warmer area, then whatever it is that you, Precious, do,
Yes.
then it would suit those
Yeah, right,
persons.
right, yes.
Right.
So it all goes back to your whole environment.
But I tell you, this is where I am in the cool, cool hills of Manchester.
It is.
And
It's cool because we are feeling the effects of it right now. It's
Right.
really, it's extremely cool.
I
Extremely cool.
don't know if it's extremely, but
No, you will say that because you're used to it. But for us coming from the hot climate, it's extremely cool for us.
Right, right.
And we love it.
And believe me, I love it too.
Yes, we love
I love it too. The only challenge with it though, when we have a lot of rain, we
Yes.
tend to lose our blooms pretty quickly.
Okay, yes.
Or we'll have spots,
Spots,
or
yes.
we'll have bacterial
Yes.
growth and stuff like that.
So you have to treat
So
regularly.
you have
yes.
to really
Yes.
treat regularly
to minimize.
that. And you know, I really haven't been treating for a little while, and I've noticed the effect of that. It goes with the territory. So that is what is happening here in my garden today. And there is Precious in the midst of my Vanda bed.
I have to get close to enjoy all of what is here. Look
Yeah.
at this.
And you're looking so beautiful, Precious, in the midst.
I mean, I feel like I'm in paradise.
Oh.
With all these vandas around me, all these precious blooms.
Oh, yes!
Gosh, today is really a precious day for me. I'm inside of Orchid Duck's Vanda bed and I'm enjoying all these blooms. This is really a precious moment for me. Everything about this is just precious.
Precious moment.
Oh.
Yes.
This is really, really nice.
I'm getting out of this one.
Really nice. And I love this one, Coleen.
What's the name of that one?
Adisac, right? Merv Veltus Adisac.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
I don't believe. No, it's not.
It's-
This is not Adisac. No.
It's
Adisac, I
probably
think, is
one of the
one.
Veltus though.
Yes,
It is one
yes.
of the Veltus.
Ooh, look at
I've
this
had
one.
that one for a while.
Which one is this, Sean?
This is actually one of the tricolor.
This is really nice. And unusual. It's the first time I'm seeing this one.
Yeah, this is the
Yes.
brown.
Have you ever seen this one, Coleen?
That's
Yes.
a brown
Yes.
tricolor.
This is nice.
Yes.
They're lovely. Really, really lovely.
And with the chime in the background, it's really, really nice. I mean, I would sit out here for the whole day and enjoy all of this. And of course, the cool climate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coleen, let's go on this other side. On the top.
Yes, up close.
The
Up.
The famous Vanda Tower. We're seeing it in person.
Really
In real life. Yes. Really nice. Look at all this. Look at the leaves.
Wow.
Look at this.
Story.
Renanta. Story eye crossed with the Dr. Annick.
Wow.
Really nice. It's not in bloom, but it is still nice
Yeah,
because the
healthy,
plant is
really
very
healthy.
healthy. And this, look at this bloom.
Wow.
That's a brown.
Gyrock
Gyrock brown.
This is nice.
Yes.
Wonderful.
And it has lost so many of the petals. You should have seen it.
Yes, because I can see it
Right.
from down here.
Right.
That's the Broadtonia or
That's the Jamaica fire.
Jamaica fire. That's nice.
Right.
And this purple one here. Dancing lady.
Yes. My
You're
famous.
getting a lot of blooms.
Yes, in a short while.
Yes. Yes. That's the tree. Look at this orange epidendrum.
Wow.
Look at it's so vibrant. Yes.
Yes.
Look at it. Boy, we really vibes coming with
Should I
them.
think down here?
Yes. Yes. It's nice.
Right there.
Look at this dendrobium.
Wow. This is unusual.
Yes, very.
I've never seen this one.
This is really cute. Its blooms are small, but they're cute.
Yes.
Yes.
Dendrobium.
Oh, look at this here.
Oh
Just look
my
at
God.
this. Oh my God. Wow.
What is
That's
this
so
called?
nice.
That's an epi.
That's an epidendrum.
Yes, it's an epidendrum. Epidendrum
Look at
pink.
these over
And look at
here.
these. They're just massive.
Wow.
And another right here.
Yes,
This
yes.
is another vibrant pink.
Right, right.
So this Vanda looks like Adisak.
That is
That
the
is
Adisak, right?
Yes,
right.
that one is Adisak. This is a vibrant pink, and the blooms are, the petals, they are large.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
larger
extremely.
than the regular,
Right,
Look
see,
at this
yes.
one.
In comparison.
In comparison
to
to the others, the petals are quite larger.
That's true.
And another dancing lady over there.
Yes, that's a tower or
Yes.
that's not a tower.
Yes.
Of fancy.
You have to make use of every space. You know?
Yes, yes, yes.
Here is another
Bed, yes.
Vanda
Band.
bed. Wow. I like this. I like this one.
Okay.
This is nice. This is unusual. Oh, this is
Wow.
really, really nice.
Is it the same thing as this
Yes,
one?
Yes,
it is.
yes.
Oh,
It
yes,
is.
it's
It
First
is.
I've
nice,
seen that
right.
one too.
Look at Vanda. Wow. Wow. You have
This is
every
a Vanda.
Yes, it is.
I mean, she has every type of Vanda blooms, different petals, different colors, different sizes,
Leaves, different-
everything different, a lot of variety. This is really, really nice. Because a lot of them is the first time I'm seeing them. And the good thing is that they are in bloom so that we could see what they really look like. Yes, because even this one, this is so nice. Look at the petal.
Well, pink and white is my favorite.
You see?
Yes,
Yes,
it's really
this
nice.
is an unusual.
Yes, it is.
Is
Yes, it's really nice.
wow.
And here are some more. And these are the stakes.
Yes, that I'm trying
Oh, yes.
out.
Oh, yes, they're nice.
I'm trying that out for the first time.
I like the blooms with the spots on it.
Yes, yes, yes. That's a Thailand sunspot.
Okay. Oh, I had that one many years ago, but I don't want to say what it is. I just won't say the word. I won't.
I know the
Yes.
feeling. It happens to all of us at
But
some
this must
point.
take up, as I say, it takes a lot of time,
Mm-hmm.
and especially when you have a full-time job.
Yes, yes.
But when you have the dedication,
yes, and the
and
love.
yes, and you love, it's therapeutic. So to me, it's not like I'm working.
It's not work.
It's like more pleasure.
That
Yes.
is true.
You get more fun doing it than
That is
finding
true.
it to be like
Burdensome.
working. Yes.
And
Yes,
I
or
tell
burdensome.
people,
Yes.
when I go to work and if I'm stressed at work, once I get home and I get into my garden,
yes.
my feeling, my
It's all gone.
countenance,
Yes.
everything
Yes,
changed
it's true.
for the
Really
better.
therapeutic,
So-
I'm
Because-
telling you.
I will get home from work, and when I get home and I go outside in my garden, and I say, all right, I'm going to spend half an hour. That half an hour becomes 5 hours, sometimes midnight. I'm outside working in
That
the
is
garden
so true.
because I don't want to leave. I feel so good being out there with them and not having been out there during the day. When I come home, I miss them. So when I come
Yes.
home, I spend the whole night with them out there.
That is so true.
Yes.
So true.
And when I go to my bed after I come out the garden, when I wake up the next morning, I feel
well rested.
Yes.
Well rested.
Well rested. Yes.
And mentally prepared to
Thank
take
you.
on everything
Yes.
else.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
This is really nice, and I like this.
Yes.
Yes. Oaquim.
Miss
Oaquim. Joaquim.
Quim.
Yes. Miss Oaquim Vanda. It's a Papillionante.
Yes.
Yes. Miss Oaquim Papillionante. Yes, it's really nice.
It's nice.
Yes.
nice.
This seems to be a couple of years old. Right?
Oh yes, it is. Because I'm
Mine is not as tall as this.
The yellow.
Yes.
And
And there's and the white.
The white.
Yes.
as a matter of fact, I need to do it over. No, it's at a stage where I need to redo it.
Okay.
Because it's toppling over, if you notice.
Yes, it is. It's
Right.
going towards that
Right.
direction, yes.
Uh-huh.
But it's nice because it's filled with blooms.
Yes, it tend to put on a nice show each
And you know
year.
what I like about it? It needs little or no attention.
One of the problem though, they tend to get green, especially when we get a lot of rainfall.
Yes. Yes, I can see it. The moss.
Right,
Yes.
right.
and
The
because
algae
of the-
and the moss
Yes.
and
Because of the cool.
the high moisture in
Yes.
the air.
Yes.
Right. But
And I see where you have draped the fence.
yes.
Nice backdrop with the
Yes.
old man's beard.
Yes.
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 Or Spanish moss. That's the cute name what them calling it now.
Oh.
Do you know it? The foreigners call it
Spanish moss.
but we call it
Old man beard.
Because that's what we are used to in our country.
Yes.
Yes. And this is the most recent
Yes.
bed that you did, yes.
Yes.
And you see you have the palms to give them a
Semi-shade, right.
tinted.
We never see that one.
Oh, the epidendrum.
Yes.
Yes, it's a multicolored.
Multicolored.
Mhm.
I've never
The
seen that
bloom,
one
it's-
before.
It's not a fast grower though.
It's
But,
unusual.
Yes, it
And the
is.
different shades of orange.
Yes.
Yes.
And a tinge of
A, a tinge of red and a tinge of yellow.
And this little cream.
Yeah.
Yes, it's nice. And the middle the middle stands out, the middle section, because
Yes.
it's like a different color. It's cream and the rest of the plant is orange.
Orange
Yes.
and red.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Yes, it's really, really
beautiful.
nice. You have quite a variety of epidendrums, I have to say. Yes.
Yes,
I
I've been
really have a
collecting
variety.
for a while,
Yes.
and that's why I still don't think I've mastered the art of growing them into specimen as yet, but I'm trying.
Yeah, but you're on your way, because from what
You're
I'm seeing
getting
here,
there.
you're looking really nice.
Thank
Yes,
you.
You're looking really nice.
All right. So, Precious, it was really, really a pleasure having you visiting my garden today. I certainly enjoyed it, and I hope you did too.
I really did. I really enjoyed the visit here today, because seeing what I'm seeing on YouTube, in reality, it was really, really nice. I enjoyed the visit, and thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
It was really my pleasure.
Yes.
And
thank
you can come anytime.
Thank you. You can be sure I'm going to take up that offer.
All right. If you enjoyed this video, guys, and this visit with Precious Blooms Jamaica, please give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back away. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica. Yah Yah.